In this lecture, we compare traditional databases with data warehouses. We'll understand OLTP and OLAP systems and where each fits in the real-world applications. A database, specifically OLTP system, is designed for real-time transactions. These systems power applications like e-commerce and banking where speed and accuracy are critical. OLTP systems are optimized for speed. They handle thousands of transactions per second, ensuring consistency and integrity of data. Data is stored in normal tables. To avoid redundancy, operations include create, read, update, and delete. A data warehouse is used for analysis rather than transactions. It aggregates the data from multiple sources for reporting and insights. OLAP systems help analysts and decision makers run complex queries on large historical data sets. Data is stored in denormalized formats for faster querying. These systems are optimized for read operations. OLTP handles current transactional data, while OLAP works on historical data. Storage and query patterns differ significantly. In banking, OLTP handles ATM transactions, while OLAP is used for fraud detection and trend analysis. 98%. Combining OLTP and OLAP enables both operational efficiency and deep business intelligence. In summary, OLTP systems handle daily operations while OLAP systems drive insights. Both are critical for modern applications. Feel free to ask any questions and explore further into database architectures in your comments, and subscribe to this channel and support us.